Now, the second thing we want to talk about with regards to enlargements is the center of enlargement. So again, I'm going to draw a couple of right-angled triangles. Like this. We'll have a matching one over here. Draw it a little bit down from it. Here's a matching right-angled triangle. Okay, so this is my object, A, B, C, and this is my image, A prime, B prime, C prime. I didn't measure them, so they may not be exact enlargements of each other. And we want to talk about something that's called the center of enlargement. And the center of enlargement is the point, if you imagine a kind of a projector casting light through this shape, and then this is projected on a screen, then the center of enlargement would be the point where the enlargement is coming from, the source of the enlargement. It's an odd kind of concept, but we do have to be able to construct it. The source of the enlargement. So how we construct it is really straightforward. We join the object and the image vertices together. So I join A prime and B prime together like this. And I just keep going. And I join A and A prime. We'll do C and C prime together. C and C prime together. I could have constructed this a bit better. It's going to go off the page, unfortunately. C and C prime together. Like this. And where any of those two lines, all three of them should meet in the same place. But where those lines meet is the center of enlargement. Just about meets on the page here. Just about meets down here. So this is we use the letter O for it, the center of enlargement. So let's just write a quick note on this, and then I'll do a second one that will hopefully work a bit better. Constructing the center of enlargement. It's very straightforward. You use your ruler, to join the matching object and image vertices. Remember, the vertices are the pointy bits of a triangle. So use your ruler to join those. Keep going with the line. Do it again for a second and even the third pair of object and image vertices. Where they cross, where they intersect, is O, and we always use O for this, the center of enlargement. So let me do that again with something that will hopefully work out a little bit better. If I use smaller triangles, it should work. So let's do one here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. And I'll do a second triangle over here with 1, 2, 3, and it should be 1.5. I pick an awkward number. And we'll label our object x, y, z, and our image x prime, y prime, z prime. Okay, so we're going to construct the center of enlargement of this and pick any two vertices and draw a line going through them. So z to z prime. And go right across the page with the line. Then x to x prime. Like this. Again, we're going to go right across the page. You can see that we got our point of intersection already. So that is O, which is our center of enlargement. And if I've done this correctly, when I do y to y prime, yeah, you can see there, it's ending up in exactly the same place. So there we go. The third one also matches up. So O is our center of enlargement. Now, I'm going to stop there for today because I think that's enough to get used to. And the next day, we'll start to look at how we can use the center of enlargement to construct the enlargement itself. Okay, and I'll give you a little bit of work to practice with this. Thank you.